Yes.
Then you'll reach the bottom right around here. Close. See that?
But that's your UI, I mean.
Aluminum sand table in there.
In Korean or in English? 1, 2, 3.
Hello, I'm Korean maker Down Joan. I want to go to Shanghai Maker Faire. Please invite me. Yeah! Brush your shoulder off, sideways run. All the way to the side, all the way. Well, not like your legs. Arms to the side. So it measures your skeleton, right? So your arm motion.
You're welcome.
Not as big as this, but he used to be so into this. When I went to his house the other day.
My other co-makers are left at the moment, so I'm here. Yeah, I don't know.
It's like how clean or how dirty it is. If you play guitar, oh yeah. Right there.
That functions power yet. 好，开始。
结庐在人境，而无车马喧。问君何能尔？心远地自偏。采菊东篱下，悠然见南山。山气日夕佳，飞鸟相与还。此中有真意，欲灭以忘言。Yeah, thank you, thank you.
You know, I think everyone attending Maker Faire because it's, you know, it's so much fun here. It's crazy, it's happy, and meet friends. I think that is a spirit that we wanted to bring to, you know, Maker Faire Shanghai. And as Kevin already explained, China moves so fast. Shenzhen is the example. It's a city only 30 years old, and before it was a fishing pond. Now it's like high rise here, there. It's a huge city, but it's normal because China is went to the progress like that. Even if you go to Xi'an, Wuhan, inner cities, it's not along the coast. They are developed very quickly, and at this moment we need to think about because people is like trying to make rapid progress of developing, and at the moment people want to slow down to think about what we want to do really. We already got huge apartments, better living conditions. What's the next? So it's bringing us back to think, how the life can be a little fun, and how the education can be a little bit useful. Because now kids is very pressed because they need past exams to get into the universities, in terms to get into the career. But they lost the fun. As a kids, you have to play, you have to make things. So that's what we wanted to bring to China, to letting people understand. Okay, life is about the fun, about to make, about to have some moments actually. No matter how old are you, what gender you are, get to the moment you are kind of excited. When we entering the Maker Faire, you see the gigantic robots with a fire, and have a lot of people playing music, and have all these crazy things you cannot be touched in your daily life. That is something we wanted to bring. And it's not. I don't think it's not about Shanghai, Shenzhen, Xi'an, in Japan, Singapore, all the places. Actually, it's a human being. If you're a human being, you want it to be fun. So that is, the fundamental thing that I want to do actually in Shanghai.
That's cool. That's cool. And also, I think in China, during the development, in economic in China, it's all about the internet. It's all about the mobile internet. It's about the internet things. So people are becoming just user.
People think about the education because when you get to be adults, it's too late. So we need to think how we actually can give the kids more opportunities, because we are facing the challenge. Actually, technology is moving so fast, and the education is still so old. And how we actually bring the kids to the moment they can learn the skills instead of the career, and you're facing the challenge of the future. So last year, China kind of initiated a lot of new kind of program for kids in the school. As STEAM started in the United States, and it kind of sent out to the other countries, and China is one of the country kind of moving very fast. So they understand it is important and how to take the challenge for the new generations. And in China it's also like up and down. So once all these political kind of program issued by the government, and all this cities wanted to catch up. So I think that's one of the reasons. But I think it's a great chance actually for university to think about how we actually can create some new program for high school and middle school and even younger. So, and I think it's important for little young kids. They can jump out of the school, kind of learn from others, learning by doing. I think that these are very good movement.
So we began organizing Maker Faire in Polytechnic last year. So it was close to our makerspace.